Alright, we're going to do a little bit of a video tonight on my organization and sorting of my Lego bricks here. So I'll throw up a picture or a link. I made these out of Home Depot boxes. So I ordered 100 of these plastic trays on Amazon for about 33 cents each. Yeah. And then the boxes were about $2 each, so I've got like $36, maybe $38 into it, and I've got 100 of them. So I've got them 5 wide and 20 tall, and these are two individual units, so I can pick them up. And I've taken quite a little bit of time going through labeling, and down here, and I started with 1x1 plate. I worked my way across, getting a little larger, and then I went to some rounds, and then bricks, and they get bigger as they go over. Slopes, and curves, and tiles, and jumpers, and modified pieces, and then some more special pieces, and then some antennas. But the focus of this video is going to be my restock drawer. You know, when I work on a project and end up with some extra pieces, I just dump them in here. So let's take a look. So here we go. So I'm going to just do a quick little restock. So 4x6 plate, 4x6 plate. Keep my plates over here. 4x6 plates. Let's see, a long 2x8, 2x10. 2x8, 2x10. See, I go, oh, there you go, 2x6 through 10 bricks. I need the same thing for plates. There we go. That's 1 by. Okay, here we go. So my 2x4 through 6 and 10, because I just have a lot of them. It would take up too many of these smaller drawers. So 2x6 plate, 2x4 a tile. Let's see, so 2x4 tile. Bricks, tiles, 2x4 tiles. So here's a regular old 2x4 plate. And then let's see, we've got a 1x6, and so we've got 1x6 plates. Round, red, modified tiles, anti-jumpers, don't know what we're going to call them, so I've got round plates. So there you go, it's round. And my round plates heads up my round row, which goes to round bricks, and then round wheels, and then round tires, and then round balls. Mixed with something very contrasty. If you have to mix them, make them contrast. Well, when possible. Okay, another 2x4 tile. Let's see it. Round. These are all going to go together. So my round. My method of organization might make some cringe, but you know, I can't really go by color strictly. I'm going to go ahead and pull these green 1x4 tiles out. And I know my slope description and my round description is far from being technically correct, but it, I don't know the nomenclature for every single piece. 1x4 tiles. 1x4 tiles. Good. So I had a project, obviously, that I needed some green, and I ordered a few extras, so I'll have them for the next one. That's where I think some of these came from. 1x6 tile. Again, 1x6 through 10. Let's see, 1x2 tiles. Oh, so getting back to my naming schema, I did what worked for me for right now. And you know, some of these repeat, you know, like 1x2 tiles. So I've got another one, but that's just all green. And then, you know, if we hop up to the next row, I've got all pink. So they're a little bit mixed in there. There's not a right way or wrong way. That's just the way that I chose to do it so far. So let's see. So 2x2 brick, 2x2 brick. Let's see. These are round bricks. Round brick, round brick, round brick, round brick, round brick. So 1x1 round bricks. Yeah, there we go. Let's see here. So this is going to be a modified 1x1, modified 1x1. So I got a whole bunch of modifieds up here, starting with headlights and washing machines. There you go, modified 1x1 bricks. And then I've got some of the gold ones, and then I jump up to 1x2s, and then I've got some, let's see here. So modified 1x2 brick. So modified 1x2 brick. So really, if it's a 1x2 brick, and if it's modified in some way with the jumpers on the side, or if it's got the cool grill pattern, or if it's got the stamped brick on there, or if it's curvy looking brick, or if it's got a technical in the middle of it, those are all modified, I guess. So that's where they go. And then if they're a little larger modified, they go on the regular modified one. So those are going to be on 1x4s. And then some other modifieds I have over here also. So again, not the right nomenclature, but it works for me. Let's see, I've got a transparent windshield here. And I see another transparent. So my transparent row starts down here. And then I go to my transparent blocks. And that looks like maybe a windshield. Or it could be that one. So I think we'll put it in here. Let's see, we've got a bunch of axles. So I don't know if these belong in my Technic or if they belong in my axles drawer. I'm just not sure. You know, my axles also has antennas and bars in it. I don't think I want to cloud it up with these. These are going to go in my Technic drawer. So I've got a couple. I've got Technic pins, beams, Hibble swinges. We'll do these Technic pins. Okay, we got a little cone, which I count as a 1x1 round brick. 1x1 round brick. And let's see here. We've got a jumper. Let's see. Got my jumpers right here. My mixed jumpers first, and my solid color jumpers going out after that. A couple of 1x2 plates. Another 1x2 plate. So this system really works pretty well for me. I'm really kind of happy with the speed in which I can get in and out of some of these drawers as demonstrated here. So let's see, 1x2 brick. Okay, so now I've got a little 1x1 tile, and oops, here we go. Here's a regular just 1x1 round plate. Then we've got a couple of the wedge and a round, and oh, look, here's a transparent, and there's a transparent. So these two transparents, they're going to go in my transparent drawer. And then these, I'm going to go ahead, let's go ahead and I'm going to put my restock back up here. Anybody know why this is upside down? Because it's empty, it's an extra. So I only have one extra, so 99 full. One extra plus the restock. So what am I looking for here? I'm looking for these 1x1 tiles. So in this drawer, I've kind of subdivided it, and I've got a little inner drawer. So I've got a lot of gray 1x1 tiles from some project in the past, and then I've broken these down kind of into my squares, my rounds, and my other shapes. So a couple of wedges will go in there, my round will go in the middle, and my square will go right there. So great, that works. So thanks for taking a look at it. Hope you like. I have a project now where I've printed out my Bricklink order for a train depot that I'm going to build, and so I'm about to grab it and go through this and do a part pick, which I don't know, maybe I'll go ahead and include. So again, thanks for watching.